Every household in Nigeria should have a basic set of hand tools to handle everyday repairs, maintenance, and DIY projects. In this video we will be discussing the top hand tools that every household in Nigeria should own. First on the list is hammer. Types and uses. Claw hammer. This is perhaps the most versatile hammer you'll need. The curved, forked end, the claw, is used for removing nails, while the flat end is perfect for driving nails into wood or other materials. It's a staple for basic carpentry and home repairs. Sledge hammer. For more heavy-duty tasks such as breaking concrete or driving large stakes, a sledge hammer is essential. It provides more force and is typically used for tasks that require significant impact. Secondly, screwdrivers. Types and their functions. Flathead screwdriver. Known for its flat, straight blade, this screwdriver is ideal for turning slotted screws. It's commonly used in a variety of household tasks from assembling furniture to fixing electrical outlets. Phillips head screwdriver. With a cross-shaped tip, this screwdriver provides better grip and is used for screws that have a cross slot. It's particularly useful for tasks that require more torque. Thirdly, pliers. Types and uses. Combination pliers. These pliers are versatile, capable of gripping, bending, and cutting wire. They are essential for a range of tasks including electrical work and general repairs. Needle nose pliers. With their long, pointed tips, needle nose pliers are ideal for precision tasks such as bending wires and reaching into tight spaces. Equipping your household with essential hand tools not only prepares you for everyday repairs but also empowers you to undertake DIY projects confidently. With the help of this video, you now understand hammer, screwdrivers, pliers are the top hand tools that every household in Nigeria should own. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drops. For more information on the top hand tools that every household in Nigeria should own, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.